Good morning, students. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing chapter using list and tables in HTML5, which is chapter number 9 from your book. In this video, we will be covering two topics, tables and table properties. In table properties, we have two subtopics, borders and horizontal and vertical alignments. So let's start with tables. So tables are extremely popular on the web because they are flexible and an attractive way to presenting information in the form of rows and columns. In HTML, the table row are represented by the tag tr and the column is represented by the tag td, as you can see in the picture. So both tr and td are included in table tag. One more tag is there which is called th tag, which is used to give column headings. So basically, headings are the special cells which act as the label. Cells is the intersection of rows and column. Column in the table is the set of facts that we keep track of about the type of the object, and rows is a record of a particular instance. So let's take an example to how to create a table. I will be starting from the basic tag, that is HTML. Afterwards the head tag. Here I'm going to create a very basic table. Then afterwards we will be using properties in it. So next tag is title tag. Then give a title to your page. I have given the title table. Then closing the title tag. Next I will be giving the CSS. So that's why I'm not closing the head tag. So style is my tag. Type is my attribute, and you know what to fill in the type attribute. Text/CSS. So next is I will be giving body color, background. Here it's your wish, you want to give the color or you want to provide an image. You know the code for both. Then the color for the table headings. As I have told you, th tag represent the column headings. So the color for the column heading will be sea green. You can change the color according to your wish. Now here I'm closing my style tag. I'm applying only this much CSS. Now let's start with the body section. So what I want is, I want my table to be in center. So I'm using the center tag. So let's start with the table tag. In table tag, as I have told you, we will be including three tags, th, tr and td. So first of all, let's start with the tr tag, which is my first row, tr, and I am giving three columns in it. First heading of the column is serial number. Closing the th. Second heading is name. And the last heading is grades. So this is the end of my first row. So I'm closing the tr tag here. Now let's move to the second row. Again, write tr. Here, now as we have done with the th tag, that headings are done. Now we have to fill the data. So we will be using td tag. So first thing I have to give is the serial number. So my serial number is 1. Closing the td tag. Then I have written name. So I have to give some name. I'm writing Neha. Closing the td. Last, I have to give the grade. So Neha got A plus grade. So I'm writing A plus and closing the td like this. So I have using three heading. I have provided the data for the three of them. So I am closing my tr here. I will be taking 3 rows and 3 columns. So I am done with the first row, second row. Now let's move to the third row. Again, td. The serial number is 2 now. Closing the td. Then giving the name. which is Shikha. TD closed. And last, again, they are asking for the grade. So here, Shikha also got A plus grade. TD closed. Again, close the TR. Then start closing the tags which you have used earlier. Like I have used center tag. First, I will be closing the table tag. Then I will close the center tag. Then body. And last, HTML. This is my program. You can see the coding from here and do your own program. Now let's save it and run it. So I'm giving it a name. So this is the output. As we have given the body color pink, you can see the pink color. Then TH color, I have given sea green, so you can see the green color. As I haven't provided any color for the data, so by default it is black in color. So this is your basic table. Now you can see there is no border as we haven't used a border property. So let's start with the border properties. So in this video, we will be covering only two properties. First is border and second is horizontal and vertical alignment. The border property helps in specifying the border width, border style, border color of the table and its cells. The syntax is border, colon, then value. The second property is horizontal and vertical alignment. So the text alignment and the vertical align property are used to set the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text respectively. The border property is applied on table, TH and TD, whereas horizontal property is applied on TH and TD only. So let's modify our previous program. So first of all, we will be using border. So in CSS, I am writing the code for the border, which is table, then TH, then TD, and the color for it. First of all, I will be mentioning the border. So I want a border of 1 pixel having the color blue. Now I will be writing about the second property, which is horizontal and vertical line. So I want my table heading to be aligned center. So text align center. Second thing I want is my TD, that is my table data, to be vertical align and the value will be middle. So these are the two modifications I have done. Rest I can change accordingly. Likewise, I want to give a caption to my table. So I will be writing that caption in the table tag, which is using caption tag. And the style of the caption color will be purple. Closing it. I'm writing student data. Closing the caption tag. Now I want to make one more modification here, that I want this to be underlined and bold. So for underline we use U tag, and to use bold we use B tag. So closing the tags here, B. After writing the basic program, you can perform as many modifications as you want. So I have done 3 modifications here. First, I have added border to the table. Second, I have provided alignment to the text. Third, I have added a caption for my table. One more thing which was not in it was the center tag, which shows the table in the center of the page. So I have saved it. Now let's run the program. Now, as you can see that I have a caption to the table, which is student data, which is underlined and bold. Second thing, I have added a border. You can see a border here. Then the TH alignment was center, you can see the grade, name and serial number is in center. Then the TD is in middle. So this is how both border and horizontal and vertical alignment property works. Hope you understand well. Please do the program. I'm showing you the program again. Please do this program at home. If any query, you can ask anytime. Thank you.